you like me and looking for ways to improve your form and be more consistent and push yourself a little bit harder when working out? I'm Gina with WTI, and having these mirrors from Peegel have been the perfect touch to making me do all of those things. We got these for a portion of our home gym where I work out most often, and I just love that I can, of course, look at them to make sure that I'm keeping the right posture. And I found that it really does make me push myself a little bit harder. We got the three pieces that are 48 inches by 28 inches, and they all fit together so that you can have a pretty large wall. These are crystal clear, and I love that as I move from one mirror to the other, there's no distortion. Now, we installed these on a metal wall, so we used our own self-tapping screws for that, but the kit really comes with everything that you need for a simple and quick installation. This comes with step-by-step instructions, and it just makes it a no-brainer to put on your wall. My husband and I installed the rails along the bottom first. You will want to use a level to make sure that you, of course, have it level. And then we put the mirrors in and then installed the top rail after that. What a reveal when you peel off the plastic from these mirrors. It is absolutely stunning. I'm so happy that I have these. I think that you're going to love them too. And that's my point of view.